Hey guys, it's Charlotte and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I hope y'all are having a great weekend and a great start to your week. And before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know what you're going to be making this week. And all the recipes that I'm going to tell y'all that we're going to make this week, I'm going to try my best to actually put the real link down. I do post my Pinterest, but then you have to like go to my food tab and like scroll and keep scrolling and all that stuff. So I'm going to try my best to link down a direct link for you guys so y'all can print out the recipes that I'm going to be making this week. All right, so this week on Sunday, we're going to make homemade mac and cheese. So Pioneer Woman, I did find a homemade mac and cheese on Pinterest that I will link down if y'all want that. But Pioneer Woman actually has like a lobster mac and cheese. So I'm just going to omit the lobster and just make the mac and cheese part. So I'm probably going to do that. Monday we're going to have homemade chicken salad. And I'm actually going to have cucumbers. And then Jared's going to have crackers with his. Tuesday we're going to have breakfast with eggs and bacon. Wednesday we're going to have salmon with zucchini. Thursday we're going to have garlic chicken with broccoli. And I'm going to link that recipe down below. It's from, I think, All Recipes. And then Friday, Saturday is going to be leftovers. Now, this is the Walmart haul, and I am going to put the exact amount or the exact total that I spent, but usually I just do a guess estimate. I think this was maybe around $90 is how much we spent between Jared and I. But anyway, so over here, we got a big pack of chicken breasts since we're going to have the garlic chicken. And we're having Chick-fil-A sandwiches. When you were watching this on Sunday, we had that on Saturday. And then also the garlic chicken. So a lot of chicken dishes this week because, you know, chicken's actually good for you. So we picked up this big pack. We also picked up this salmon. So we always try to eat at least one fish dinner a week. Just, you know, because it's healthy for you also. We got a pack of bacon because we ran out. Jared had to pick up some drinks, so he got the Red Bull, the Peach Edition. And then he got a Coca-Cola, the Energy for him. I don't know. He usually gets Monsters. I'm very surprised he didn't get a Monster this week. Anyway, so we needed some heavy whipping cream for the mac and cheese, breadcrumbs for the mac and cheese. Jared actually picked up this creamer. I was going to pick up some creamer, but then I was like, well, I really don't want 2 things of creamer in the refrigerator. So we picked up some sweet cream. Jared picked out the rolls for the Chick-fil-A sandwiches that we're going to make. So these are the potato rolls. Never had these before, so I'm very interested to try that. We had to replenish our baking stuff. So we have all-purpose flour and sugar. Jared picked out the cereal, so he wanted some Raisin Bran Crunch and this Cheerios Oat Crunch Oats and Honey. Jared also picked up some crackers. He got some Wheat Thins, kind of like Wheat Thins, but it's great value brand. Picked up some Elbow for the mac and cheese. We needed some trash bags, so we got the Gain Glad Force Flex. Let's go to the cheese, because, you know, everybody knows us for the cheese. All right, so Jared picked up medium cheddar cheese and Kobe cheese. I picked up some string cheese or cheese sticks for my lunches. We picked up this triple cheddar cheese for the mac and cheese. And we picked up some Parmesan cheese for the garlic chicken and the macaroni and cheese. Veggies and fruit-wise, I picked up this English cucumber because there actually wasn't any regular cucumbers. So I picked this up, which, I mean, never had this English cucumber, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I picked up a lemon because I'm going to try to make some homemade Chick-fil-A sauce. So I just needed a lemon. I picked up 2 mangoes. Now, if you don't know the difference between the yellow and the green, so the green is actually a little bit tougher to eat, and it's a little bit sour. These are a lot more sweeter. So I picked up those. Picked up some zucchini. We got a thing of raspberries. We got some strawberries, which they look good. We needed some broccoli just to replenish, so I got 2 packs of the broccoli. And then I picked up some unsalted butter that we needed for the mac and cheese. So I picked up the Challenge butter. And then last but not least, I picked up some more of the Swiss dark chocolate. I think I'm going to make some homemade chocolate chip cookies. Haven't made those in a while, so I think I'm going to make that. But this is everything, you guys. So, like I said, we probably spent around $90, but as always, the total is going to be on the screen. And I hope y'all have a great week. Make sure you go and like, subscribe, and hit that notification, because every time I post, then you will be notified that I uploaded, so we can go and chat with each other. But anyways, I will see you guys on Tuesday for a 52-week challenge, and on Thursday for a weekly check-in. Bye, you guys.